Tefuawe or Tefuawe, I'm not sure how to pronounce that. Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're going to do a review on a welding lens, auto darkening welding lens. The purpose of this welding lens is to stick it behind or in front of your cell phone camera and be able to actually take video of what you're doing, you're welding. So you can watch the arc, watch what you're doing with the puddle, see what the puddle's doing clearly so you can see where you're making your mistakes. And it's a good training tool in, record yourself, go back, watch the video, see what you're doing. And if you're one of those welders that is trying to teach people like myself, it's a good learning tool as well, so you can kind of see, what the puddle is supposed to look like when you're dabbing, or what the dab is supposed to look like, how much filler material you're supposed to put in there. So this is Tefuawe, I don't know. True Color technology. It's auto darkening welding lens. It's 2 inches by 4 1/4 inch. It says it has a 1-year warranty. Got it off of Amazon. Fairly cheap. I don't remember the price off the top of my head, but so let's see what it looks like. All right. So as mentioned, we're gonna do an unboxing of this auto dimming welding lens, and this is going to allow you to record your welding using your cell phone or whatever camera you have. I'm hoping this thing works out pretty good. It says True Color technology. We'll see what that means. In the YouTube video that I found, there was one video from the company. It looked a little too good to be true, but we'll see. So nothing extravagant with the packaging here. As you can see here, this is a 3/11 shade. Surprisingly, looking through the lens here, you can actually see a decent amount, which is why I went with these specs, because I wanted to be able to at least, kind of set up the camera first and get set up before actually recording. So I'm pretty excited to see how this thing performs. Just a very basic little welding lens here that we're going to use to try to record using our iPhone 10 or 10 Max, 10 XS Max. The other thing that's in the package here is this little protective glass. It says, warning, please remove this protective film before using. So I'm not sure if this is supposed to go on the helmet or not. I have a 3M speed glass, so I'm not too familiar with the inserts. For what we're doing here with TIG welding, no splattering, at least there shouldn't be. We're just gonna put the cell phone right behind the lens here and do some tape or rubber band. We'll see. And hopefully get some good shots. So yeah, that's it. Let's see how she performs. Better. Well, what can I say? I think this thing is doing the job. So pretty impressed. As you just saw in the video there, it was super clear. Actually, this thing's doing a lot better than I thought it was going to do, because the company has their own YouTube page and they had this on there, and you always you're a little skeptical of the things you buy on Amazon, and like, yeah, but you know what? I said, let's try it out. Got it. Shot behind it, and it works great. I was able to see, the dabbing, the beads. I was actually able to pick up a mistake. Prior to the one you just saw in the sample video, I actually had a little bit too much torch angle, so it was trying to melt the filler away. But that's the great thing about this little piece right here is, being able to catch your own mistakes. I mean, that's the whole part of the learning. It's hard to, to catch your mistakes if, somebody else is not there to watch you. So set up a camera. Go ahead and get yourself one of these. I went ahead and put a short link in the description below, so go ahead and check it out. Like I said, if worst case scenario, use it a couple times, return it. I don't know, but I definitely give this a thumbs up, and I'm going to be keeping this in the little tool set. Well, I think that about sums it up. And again, I appreciate you stopping by to watch the video, and I hope you enjoyed the small review that it was. I mean, it was pretty self-explanatory there. You just, put this in front of the camera and start recording, and it worked out great. So I highly recommend it. So don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next video.